Good morning. So I'm here again to react on a video of Lolone Kachimezie. Okay, a woman that many of you know about, pineapple haircut woman. It is funny how these people are cooking up stories every now and then. They have something to say. The attack on Mas Namonikano and PM Samonepa, has been transferred also to Dr. Ngozi Orabeze, DPM. Some of us already know why they are doing what they're doing. Is it because of the DOS never do well, people who have never for once contribute anything positively to protect life and properties in our land. They pretend that they're the one in charge of everything, but they don't joke. They don't joke to, link up with anybody who is after PM or the image of Mars Namodekan. This woman, I believe, is working for those that have been on Mars Namodekan issue. Those that make sure that he's being kidnapped. Pay close attention to what she said. We are going to, I don't want the video to be too long, but we are going to do our best to.
Igbo ekele m ụnụ ọlụlọ Nneka Chimezie enyi kwa na-ewetara ụnụ ọnọdụ Igbo.
Okay.
Biko ihe m chọrọ ndị m na-agwụgoro okwu awụ ndị autopilot ka m mee ka Igbo niile marakwa na autopilot ka akwụrụ ụgwọ na-askata na-emebisi nnwere onwe ndị IPOB ji aka ha bi udo ya shee ikekwa m.
You are a very big liar. Like, I don't know why some people don't have shame. IPOB Jaka Bako will build though. IPOB Jaka for a build. Who built IPOB? IPOB was organized and built by Mas Namodekan. You guys don't like him, but you cannot move forward without him. What does that tell you? It simply means that you guys are nothing. You often talk about autopilot. I'm not a member of any group, but I'm a Biafran. I am in support of freedom. I love freedom. But let's see, if you don't like freedom, then let it be far away from you. But I have to be real to you. All these lies, you need to stop it. So please make sure you like this video. I don't know if I've asked you, to do that. Please like the video and subscribe to this channel. This is our backup channel, and we need your presence. We need your support in a very big way. Please subscribe. Don't just watch and go. And like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. Pay close attention to what this woman is vomiting from her mouth.
They are on over 190 something countries.
They are there because of Mas Namodekan. IPOB have representation in those countries because of Mas Namodekan. Mention one country that under the US in Mas Namodekan's absence. Mention another country that they have penetrated. Apart from carrying flag in Europe, which they cannot carry properly in some part in Africa, not even in Asia. But in Europe, where everything is, bread and butter, or probably in America. A group that leaders that you are talking about have not done anything meaningful to sustain that in which Mazangano planted. And your own is to jump out, begin to yap nonsense. Listen to this flow.
Ndị Igbo be anyị, onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo, anya ihe a na-eme nwere onwe, ya wụ na o si n'ala ala obi gị, na ịchọrọ ka ọ bịa si n'autopilot pụọ banye na IPOB.
She is telling you this thing, what to do, but she is actually a promoter of one Nigeria. So do you have any right to even talk about freedom when your mindset is still to keep Nigeria the way it is? Personally, I'm not against any tribe in Nigeria, apart from terrorists. Do you understand? I don't hate any tribe. I'm not saying we should talk about freedom because we don't want to associate with any people. But the fact remains that you cannot just pretend to know what you don't know, or that everything is working very, very fine when it's not working very fine. Both me and you know the truth. Now, how can you not justify the fact that you are promoting? Look at her page. If you go to her Facebook, she still have Nigerian flag all over the place, and you are the same person is trying to tell you what to do to gain your freedom. Asa, what is she doing to have the freedom? Asa, it's a very simple question. What are you actually doing? Oh, you don't like freedom, but you want to advise people that will want freedom. It doesn't make any sense to me. Hear her again. Liar, pure liar.
I got her daughter one with the divided house. I got her daughter one with the divided house.
How can you unite the house by telling people that are following Master MNK, the Master cannot get legacy in the prison? How can you unite people by telling people that DOS that you don't know anything about are getting it right? How can you unite people by not asking this pertinent question? What has DOS done in Master Khan's absence? You lie that they have done something, but you cannot mention anything. Not even one. What do you know that you think you are in position to advise people? Listen.
And omumeha n'ihe ha na-eme gosiri na egobiri ha egobi ha agụ egbe ha na-agbagbu enweghị ha na-agbagbu.
Now, you know why they often tell you that because they want you to start analyzing ESN and and IPB. After analyzing that, if you try to reply them, even DOS, they keep on telling that someone they will tell you that now for ESN they check bye. They will not talk about the Bago. That's how bad these guys are. They will not talk about the Bago. They will keep on telling you if you dare try to talk like they're doing, you end up attacking Master American. And that's what they want you to do. They want you to stand, come and fight me, because they know if you start fighting, it can be safe for Master American, which is not your intention. That makes them an arch enemy to Master American and freedom movement. Is it not surprising to you that all of them are still in love with the green, white, green, yet they are the one trying to tell you how to get your freedom? Make it to make sense to me. I don't understand that part though. Maybe they do. Maybe you do. You yourself watching. Maybe you have a better knowledge of what they're actually trying to say. Please make sure you like the video. Don't joke with this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Pay close attention. Here.
Hana attraction. IPOB enwene ESN. Nche agbata obi ayo kwari ihe chokwa.
IPOB enwene ESN nche agbata obi ayo. Okay, if you choose, shall we go there? If we go there, I will end up crossing boundary. And I'm not gonna think you can't lure me to that. But I just want people who have sense to trash everything this one is saying from your memory. Don't take it. She's just a she's just a deceiver, a manipulator in geeky that want to lure you to fight a fight that ordinarily you wouldn't want to get yourself involved. And don't fall to that trap. She knows what she's doing, and it cannot work for her.
Can the plan anyone happy that I buy? IPOB and when ESN. You get me wine no fair. It's all one he called. You can join on the ESN because ESN to why now has she here. What would so? What would you not I know?
Obuni called the Giga join on ESN under. She claimed that it's under DOS. Manobu Niko Godegi. Manafana Fadekwa, they are guests in Hugo. Maniko Godegi, join our group. Okay, your group is for Goden. I say, you will bread, they will get back, and I tell you.
Nigeria. Why your hands in such a way that I had Dr. Lanya, only on Nana, if we are there, but on the federal government. Upon money, how he very better chassis very bad money game. Me no kata no nye man ogi wounds so wound. Ye gache akamba. He had the pack and boat to pull rog.
The same ESN, the same federal government don't have to prescribe that ESN. They prescribe ESN using Igbo politician. ESN. The IPB was prescribed because of the establishment of ESN, which is not supposed to be. Okay?
Igbo niile, the whole South and South is ụlọrọ ọgụ. Were ihe niile ha nwere chekwawa obodo. Ọ bụrụ na otu o siri ga. Ya afọzie nga ụmụazị na-erudu 20. Maka mbịala anya nga ndị amị ha nwana na-eme parade n'ime ọhịa ma ịgọ ọdụdụ 20. Ha were aghụghọ ka federal gọọmenti nye ha ego ha ga-adị a na-eme show ha chi n'okpuru bịa na-ekwusisa ihe awụ ihe mere mbụ.
Ọ bụrụ ihe mere mbụ, even though you are way too old to know what ife mere mbụ, mana due to you are wired to lie, you are just a product of lying machine. You are meant to lie. That's not what God meant it to be, but you have chosen to be an instrument of falsehood. That is not what happened in the past. I mean, what do you know about military? What do you know about security? It's not about size. Yes, size is there, but it's not about size. And it's not about what you think. I'm not here to talk about war. I'm not an advocate of war. I don't advocate for war or crime or any problem or kill of anybody. But you cannot lie, pretend to know what you don't know. What happened in the past, Biafran lost the war, not because of number, because of hunger, which is a war crime. As an, what do you call yourself? I don't know, you are not an activist. As a propagandist, you should try use your platform to call on the international community to look into Nigerian Biafran civil war, because that was a war crime. Blockade is a war crime. Starving children to death is a war crime. Go and check it. How many of you are calling it what it is? Nobody. Oh, you have to do it again. Oh, you want to do it again. But they are buying you every now and then. Anyway, it's up to you. Listen.
Mgbe na-agwa ndị Igbo, ọ nwekwa na mgbe ahụ, ọkwa Kalụ nta Kalụ nwanne Kalụ onwekwe autopilot.
Another lie from pit of hell. Kano that was busy disturbing Finland to arrest PM Samoneko. Now autopilot. A woman that is in her 60s, if I'm not mistaken, because she looked way too old, despite her pretense and makeup and all that, she looked way too old. I don't know her age, but I can guarantee you that she's above 50. Now, if you're above 50, you are in position to at least to know basic things and be realistic to yourself. But look at what she's doing. Constantly pretending and lying and lying and lying. What do you think she wants to achieve or what to gain from those things? Listen to her again.
I'm so to play radio nke o wele nwanne tega na nga ihe a na-atọ ihe ọ na-achọ imewu o destroy ya nke Maazị Nnamdi Kalụ ya wụzie terrorist ka onye nke a ga-awụ.
Inania. Oyibo na-akpọ Igbo be a terrorist because she disagree with your stupidity. Now, I am not a fan of Kano, but I cannot call him a terrorist. I don't see him as a terrorist. Even though he's one calling PM also the same thing. I'm not here to defend him. You have every right to insult Kano. Let's not twist it. I'm not here to defend Kano, God forbid. Yeah, God forbid that I will open my mouth to defend Kano. No, until he officially apologized to his stupidity and his nonsensical thing he did. Tagging Finland, calling Finland and pretending all those things. We know what he did. Am I here to analyze him? No. But I just want to call your attention that despite the banter, despite the differences, he's not a terrorist. He's not. And I don't see him to become one. Get it?
Makonya Hajiri. One day, how can they make a rota after how opportunity hijack ya na we go near it? Man, the only way Hajiri to see there with Pianka. I know Kubu Mbane Kubu on
Abula Tomas Namakanonga. If he sold Mazagano, we are here to discover that. Not because of Uchechi, who came up with this idea of, oh, he had been in contact with indigenous American, the people that kidnapped American. It could be true. Because during the time that Mazagano was newly kidnapped, it was rumored as well that Kano was aware that Mazagano was held in Kenya for 8 days and he couldn't raise an alarm, he couldn't raise anything, and he just kept quiet and keep it for himself. That is an issue. but it's not actually evidently enough. It's not enough evidence for me to capitalize on that and say, he's the one that sold Mazum Namdekan. Oh, he's one, because it's not yet clear to my own understanding. And I cannot believe anything that comes from Uchechi Okaf. No, I can't take her for any. I can't take her word. I'm sorry. That's my personal opinion.
Yeah, maybe Carlo, no, or one we have, like one at Kingsley, Kaliapata Jadinaya. Now they go with the Nam de Carlo, or only go with them in a honey kuna phone. Then the deal as to acquire joy a bit 1 year no. Yes, yeah, then twice yet. No, when on the deal.
That he refused to raise an alarm and Uchechi Kano refused to grant interview to BBC. I need to raise that as same alarm. And she refused. What is different? The same Uchechi that's telling you about Kano refused to grant interview to international media platform. Instead, she chose to grant interview to you. You are not the one that she decided to come to, raise an alarm and all that. Anyway, listen, you guys are just the same. You can't deceive me. No, you can't deceive me.
Yes. Because here that guy may work that recruit to propagandist. Would you share online? We hear them and have real rashi. How to not share here again in a ganj?
I don't give me size me guy to block your sense of reason. I don't give me guy block your sense of reason. Imi hakashu paparolo. How can you keep on lying? Now, he recruited propagandists. Kantakan don't have to say any media. No. Apart from his handle, is it Master Prophet? Who is that propagandist that he recruited? Who? He has never been in autopilot, let alone having media. I don't blame you. I blame those that recruited you and refused to keep you informed. Maybe they informed you, but the size of your nose will block your sense of reason. You can't comprehend. What do you believe?
How would Ndi DOS? What are she meant the members of IPOB Corporation autopilot? Oh, now, if I an autopilot in your name, they came back. One what they came back. Could I get poor?
So you actually want people to give away zona meeting, zona fundraising, zona contribution. That was any other. Each and everybody believe. Come and take it.
Ghana IPOB. Yeah, we're going to say, I'm going to on an autopilot. I'm a black apple and a cake. Make a question in at your own shell. I didn't do so.
John, not that with any go again. John Kiketego, a liar.
Before the Baba, I go to Yashihama, Gentleman to Yahoo, and Michael and Gabriel and here. That can a Diana angel. Ego Kaji Yashihanile. Onya Hego. Ebeka has you with Ego. Why only Lahagu? One eye, where to then buy Soka? I did it with Soka again. Now, let's go and hack it up. What point?
So, meaning now, second, so in a try, looking the Kunandami about in the buy. So, because I didn't get again, you should only made a series of videos. Lebanon Nigerian army as people that are responsible to buying going on in our land. You have said that many times. So, are you saying that all these things that you said in the past is you actually lying that they make up and Gentle Yahoo, they are the one doing that? And when you say people should move from autopilot to join IPOB, joining IPOB is joining ESN. Let me understand, because it seems like you don't know the difference between ESN, IPOB. You don't know the difference between the Defense Liberation Army and autopilot. You don't know the difference between autopilot and Briggy or USB. You are confused. You don't know your left or right. It's just a sack and a leg back again. And I call you know.
And the Carlo, Hansi gets a picture, and I wasn't named the Carlo. And the beacon I got like it won't be before I carry quiet also. The mamma is in Nam the Carlo. I got probably put to turn what is associated from autopilot. My candidate could not. maka ekwu eziokwu ewere ụzọ aghụghọ na-ekonukọ ihe ha na-ekonukọ. Onye nyopo ihe ha na-ekonukọ ụgba na kwuo okwu ya wụ akparịala emotional blackmail ihe unu ji nọgide onwe unu maka ọwụwa for me. Anyị ga na-ekwu eziokwu. Biko na ga agwa na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ya disassociate onwe
ife eziokwu ịma ga gwa ya nwunye Nnamdi Kanu bịa Nigeria. Nwaanyị na-ịgwa ya ka ọ ga megwa di ya na Sokoto. Ị ka gwa ya ka ọ gwa ka ebe ọ nọ. I just the way to I requested for that video to be published. Ana m echekwa gị ka itinye vidio ebe ị gwara anyị na ọ batara ka ọ fụ di ya. Igosa ebe ọ bịara fụ gị. Mana afọ igosa ebe ọ ga-aga fụ di ya. Asịkpakwa gị ndị ọjọọ.
Moto pilot. Maka ọnwụ ihe a na-eme mgbakwa ịga na ndị mmadụ na-ege eche n'ọnyanwa. And ihe a na-ekwu ga-emekwa Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na ha eluzele face mana ọ maghị ya. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ga-echekwa na ọwụwa chịkwa ha ụta ahụ ọdụ the enyi o disassociate onwe ya from this autopilot. Gakwu ndị nke
ahịa ọma na-ele onwe ya. If you like it, ga ma blue face Chike dozie gị ma everywhere. Owolo face oluzu. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bụ ọkran onwe ya. He did not crown himself. Only one day of what that. In fact, man can protect that just 30 minutes up time. If things will turn around, 30 minutes. People will throw support to him, whether you like it or not. And that support, okay, will be like one of the best if he remained massacred that we used to know. On our pocket, I know when a chicken doesn't move, na all this in our force to Ndi Igbo. Eba oku that now what I can more. I don't threaten anybody. I'm not like you. Because
oh yeah, put up on one here when you send the IPOB. Camera and can name this computer not lap too much.
Only the he could have always the IPOB. No, get one and to get contented with Master. Can you see the IPOB weapon? I'm not before that don't know difficulty what I saying. This one named me. I don't know who actually educate you about this movement. Master Kanu did not join IPOB. Those people in IPOB DOS joined him. How can I disassociate myself from my surname? Or how can I disassociate myself from me? How? For what happens again now? All I've known this IPOB for 5 years now. Kedifi me. Kedifi that's how I go. A contractor. Just a contractor. Anyway, in a before again.
Because ndị autopilot ekwela m ya mbụ ọ na-ewe ya tomiro no eno na nke unu nwere otu nke unu nwa ndị shono kakwa ahụ unu nwere ngozi ọrabezo unu nwere Simon ekpe unu nwere nke unu eburukwele Maazị Nnamdi Kanu tụkwasị n'elu enwere so many group ndị Igbo nwe onye ọbụla nọ na nke n'oge na nke unu ka a concentrate on ihe a na-eme because ihe na-akọ confusion.
Okay, iwe Chinasa iwe Chike Doziem, okay, iwe Agbaye, iwe Uche Ifeanyi Ejiofor, iwe Uche Chikanu. 5. Okay, somebody maro.
Gawaze ni ha dị mma gawaze adị mma una na stop ndị IPOB unu nọ na nke na soto pilot onye wepụ Nnamdi Kanu n'ọnụ na-eme nke unu ndị nke a na-eme nke ha ahapụ inwe distraction dikonu Igbo bụ Igbo lọlọ Nneka Chimezie maka ndị nke ụlọ ha na-asị na a na-akparị Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu awụrụkwa onye isi a na-aga ha ajụ kweshọn ndị mmadụ ga-aja ajụjụ kwuo okwu onye ihe a na-eme gbagwujuru anya ya ajụ ajụjụ kwuo okwu so nwa na-asịkwa ugbu a na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu were kwụtụtala ite disassociate onwe ya from autopilot before egbuchiri anyị before a na-enweta this Biafra na ha ekwuli ya because ọha ma ndị ji na social media na-emezi ndị otu gị attack na-ekele ma mara ma ha chọzi ịdọrọ ha adọrọ bụ na gị na nya ha ịchọ ka ikwu ekwu ebe ị nọ ka ndị mmadụ mara ka onye ọbụla nọzie nọkwara ọkụ ọha na m n'ọnụ ndị ewonu.
Why am I iji atere aka ka na so ị na-ewezi mgbakasị ahụ you need to calm down aka ije ka tere aka ị na-enwe mgbakasị ahụ defend it. Anyway, please let me know what you think about everything she just vomited there. God bless you, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you again. Bye-bye for now.